Hello, hello. Welcome back to Ellie English Hub. I'm Ellie, and today we have a very special episode.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. So happy you're here today.
Leo, tell me, do you like traveling?
Oh, I love it. New countries, new food, new people. But airports? Airports make me a little nervous. There are so many signs, so many people, and everything happens very fast.
I completely understand. And you know what makes airports even more stressful? When you don't know what to say in English. You need to check in, go through security, find your gate, all in a foreign language.
Yes, but today, after this episode, you will never feel lost at an English-speaking airport again. We promise.
Today you will learn how to check in at the airport, what to say at boarding, and how to ask for directions when you are lost. 3 real situations, 3 sets of phrases. Let's go.
And if you are new here, welcome to the family. We always speak slowly and clearly. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Okay. Scene 1. Leo, you are a passenger. You arrive at the airport and go to the check-in desk. I am the airline staff. Ready?
Check-in desk.
Ready. Good morning.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and booking reference, please? Booking reference. A short code, letters and numbers that you get when you buy your ticket. Also called a confirmation number. Example, your booking reference is AB1234.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today? Checking in luggage / hold baggage. Luggage equals your bags and suitcases. Check in luggage equals put your big suitcase on the plane under the cabin. If it's small, it's hand luggage. It goes in the cabin with you.
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in and one small bag for the cabin.
Perfect. Please put your suitcase on the scale here. That's 18 kilos. That's fine. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? Window seat versus aisle seat. Window seat equals next to the window, good for views and sleeping. Aisle seat equals next to the corridor, easier to get up and walk. Middle seat equals nobody's favorite.
A window seat, please.
Of course. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B14. Boarding starts at 10:30. Security is on the left. Have a great flight. Boarding pass / gate. Boarding pass equals your ticket to get on the plane, paper or digital. Gate equals the door where you go to enter the plane. Always check the gate number. It can change.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, where is security?
Security is just down the corridor on your left. You can't miss it.
Perfect. Thank you. Goodbye.
Great. Let's repeat the key phrases from scene 1 together. Say them out loud with us.
Here you go. I have one suitcase to check in. A window seat, please. Where is security? Say each one. Don't be shy. Your voice matters. Okay. Scene 2. Ellie, you are now the traveler. You are inside the airport. You passed security, but now you are a little lost. You need to find your gate. Gate B14.
Oh yes, this happens to me in real life. Okay. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Very polite way to ask for help. More formal than can you help me? Both are correct, but could sounds a little more polite.
Of course. What do you need?
How do I get to gate B14? How do I get to... This is how you ask for directions in English. How do I get to the gate? / how do I get to the exit? / how do I get to Terminal 2? Very useful everywhere.
Gate B14. Okay. Go straight ahead, then turn right at the big screen. Take the escalator up to level 2. Gate B14 is on your right.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please? A little more slowly. Could you repeat that, please? Don't be embarrassed to ask someone to repeat. Native speakers use this too. You can also say, sorry, I didn't catch that, or could you speak more slowly, please?
Of course. Go straight, turn right at the big screen, take the escalator up, then B14 is on the right.
So, straight ahead, right at the screen, escalator up, and then right, repeating back directions. A great tip. Repeat the directions back to the person. It helps you remember. And the other person can correct you if you make a mistake. Very natural thing to do.
Exactly. You've got it.
Thank you so much. You've been so helpful.
Have a great flight. Enjoy your trip.
Now, your turn. Pause the video. Say out loud, "Excuse me, how do I get to gate B14? Could you repeat that, please?" Great practice for real life. Last scene. You found your gate. Now it's time to board the plane. Leo, you are the gate agent. I am the passenger.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now boarding flight EH205 to London. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready. Airport announcements. In English airports, you often hear, "We are now boarding." This is the final call for passengers traveling to. Please proceed to gate. Listen carefully. They speak quite fast.
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Do you have any liquids in your hand luggage? Liquids/hand luggage. Liquids equals water, perfume, shampoo, etc. In most airports, liquids in hand luggage must be under 100 milliliters and in a clear plastic bag. Hand luggage equals the small bag you take into the cabin.
E,
Yes, I have a small bottle of water. Is that okay?
L,
If it's under 100 milliliters, yes, no problem. Enjoy your flight.
E,
Thank you. Excuse me. I think this is my seat. I'm in 14A. I think this is my seat. A very polite way to tell someone they may be in your seat. More natural and less aggressive than, "That's my seat." Always check your boarding pass for your seat number.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me check. You're right. I'm in 14B. My mistake.
No worries at all. Thank you. And that is your complete airport experience in English. From check-in to your seat, well done, word tour time. I say the phrase, Leo gives a real example. You repeat after us. Ready?
Always ready. Let's go.
I have one suitcase to check in.
I have one suitcase to check in. Say this at any check-in desk. Simple and clear.
A window seat, please.
A window seat, please. Or an aisle seat, please. Your choice.
How do I get to gate B14?
How do I get to gate B14? Change the gate number for any situation. Works in airports, train stations, shopping centers.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please? Never be embarrassed to ask this. Even I use this phrase.
I think this is my seat.
I think this is my seat. Polite, calm, confident. Perfect for any travel situation.
Now, go to the comments. Tell us, where's your dream travel destination? Write in English. Even one sentence is great practice. We read every single comment.
Today you learned how to check in, how to ask for directions inside the airport, and how to board your plane, all in English. 5 powerful phrases that will make your next trip so much easier.
The next time you travel and someone asks window or aisle, you will know exactly what to say. And when you need directions, you will ask with confidence. That is real progress.
If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Ellie English Hub, and share it with a friend who is planning to travel. You help us reach more learners around the world.
This is Ellie.
And this is Leo. And you've been listening to Ellie English Hub. Safe travels and see you in the next lesson.